Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's load our brain. Today I'll be talking about Paytm, which has been recently removed from Google Play Store. Many questions has been raised regarding Paytm, such as why Google Play Store has removed Paytm and what about the users' money in their Paytm wallet and bank account linked to Paytm. Some people of India are pre-assumed that it might be a China's app, so government of India might have banned it. No, Government of India did not ban Paytm and Paytm First games, but Google removed this application from Google Play Store. Google has not provided an official reason behind the Paytm removal, but a recent post suggests that gambling and betting is the reason behind the Paytm removal. Coming to the Paytm wallet money and bank accounts, Paytm has assured the users' money will not be affected by the removal. The Noida-based company too has assured users' money bank account are completely safe. The main reason behind removal of Paytm is cause of Paytm First Games. It is a fantasy gaming platform for football, cricket, kabaddi and basketball. The money or real cash won by users and money is added to enter a fantasy game will be used or credited directly by Paytm wallet. Some more question might be raised in your brains regarding what about other Paytm apps. What if Paytm is already installed in mobile phone? If Paytm removed from App Store or MI Store, is it permanently removed or temporary? Coming to the first question, what about other Paytm apps? Other apps including Paytm Money, Paytm Mall and Paytm for Business are still available on Play Store as these are not interlinked or connected with Paytm First Games. What if Paytm is already installed in mobile phone? If Paytm and Paytm First Games are already installed in your mobile phone, then users will not face any issues using these applications, but users cannot update this application through Google Play Store. Is Paytm removed from App Store and MI Store? No, Paytm and First Games app are not removed from App Stores or MI Stores. Is it permanently removed or temporary? Paytm has officially tweeted that removal is temporary. They tweeted that it will be back very soon. Google blog post says when an application violates the policies, they notify the developer of violation and removes the app from the Google Play Store until the developer brings the app into compliance. Even number one fantasy game application Dream 11 and many other gambling or betting applications where users' real cash are removed by Google Play Store. Let me conclude this video by saying that Paytm First Game app may not be available on Google Play Store. Paytm payment application is now available on Play Store. As they said they will be back very soon, they literally mean very, as it is back in less than 5 hours of removal. But there is no update of Paytm First Games application, as the main reason for removal was this. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and learned something new, then like, subscribe and share. Hit on the bell icon so that you won't miss any opportunity to boost your brain.